South College Library Tutorial, APA 7th Edition, Paper Formatting Basics. Part 3. Formatting Short Direct Quotes. When you want to use another author's words in your paper, this is called a direct quote. Direct quotes require an in-text citation. For direct quotes of 39 words or less, put the section you are borrowing in quotation marks and include a page or paragraph number in your citation. If you are using a parenthetical citation, include the relevant page or paragraph number in the parentheses after the year of publication, separated by a comma. Para, in the highlighted example, stands for paragraph. If you are using a narrative citation, include the year in parentheses immediately after the author name or names before the quotation marks as normal. Then include the page number or paragraph number in a parentheses immediately after the direct quote and before the period. The P in the highlighted example stands for page. Many web-based resources don't have pages, and counting paragraph numbers may become excessive. In these situations, you can use a section heading in place of a page or paragraph number. To do so, put the section heading in the place of the page or paragraph number and put section at the end of it. If a section heading is longer than 2 or 3 words, you can shorten the section heading. To do so, insert quotation marks around the shortened heading to indicate that it is abbreviated. If you use a section heading for a direct quote, but the quote is more than a couple paragraphs down, add a paragraph number after the section heading to make it easier for your readers to find the text you are quoting. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact library staff or check out the library's APA 7th guide.